Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our YouTube channel. And in this video we are going to talk about a new product of Warrior Plus called FaceOff. So this product is going to be launched on 19th of June, and this is something to do with YouTube, I guess. Now, I have been checking this product, the website and everything, but I did not find much information to share with you. So I'll share what we have found for you so that you can decide if you need this software or not. So before we start the review, make sure you like to this video and subscribe to our channel, okay? And now let's take a look at the top headline here. It says complete newbie makes this much amount. So whenever any website claims that it will make you a certain amount, right? So in my last couple of videos, I reviewed a couple of products. They were not claiming any kind of amount, right? So as soon somebody starts claiming that there's a particular amount which anybody can make, especially a newbie, that's a red flag there. So stop there and just give it a few seconds to yourself that how is it possible, and how come this exact amount 168.72? Where is the calculation? Show me the calculation. How did you put this number on this website right now, 168.72? Show me the calculation, okay? Ask this question to yourself. But anyways, let's move on to the further details here. And it says, on his first try with the beginner friendly, done for you commission, shortcut, this and that. Okay, I'm not interested in knowing how much money it's gonna make. I'm interested if it's a software, how it's gonna work and things like that. So first of all, it says 100% beginner friendly, rinse and repeat proven system, A to Z, this and that. Now, first of all, this product is actually about, I think, making YouTube videos without showing your face and something like that, because as I told you earlier, there's not much information on this website and they do not even have a JV page, right? So if you go to Warrior Plus, this is their product launch details here, and you can see there's a sales page only and there's no JV page, which means I cannot show you the demo as well, which normally you find on the JV page, okay? So we'll have to only extract the information, whatever we can find from the sales page. And let's go further down here. So it's all, these screenshots are fake, okay? Anybody can make the screenshots from Google, all right? So let's not go into the screenshots and let's go further down. So it's a 30-second video, and somebody just talking here and saying it's good and all that. It's a 30 seconds video, and it's just person sitting in front of the mic and just doing blah blah blah. So let's not go into that. And then there's another video here about this particular dashboard. So this person saying that he has been using this particular software. And okay, so let's pause it. Now this is how the inside dashboard will look like. First option is affiliate marketing 101, rapid FaceOff profits. So this is a module. These are the training videos. I mean, in every website or in every make money software, you only get a dashboard, okay? So you go into the dashboard and you go through those training videos. That's all you get. You spend $12, you spend $15, you spend $50, whatever amount you spend. Every time you only get a dashboard and some videos inside, okay? Now here, it talks about affiliate marketing, rapid FaceOff profits, finding a product, how to source the best product, getting set up, approved for offers, building the bridge, advanced, this and that. So technically this is for beginners actually who want to get into affiliate marketing and they want to start from zero. So if somebody knows nothing about affiliate marketing, then this can teach them how to find products, how to sign up to affiliate websites, how to get your links, and then how you can promote them. And it's talking about high ticket offer. I'm still not sure what this product actually does do for you. Like, does it make YouTube videos for you? Does it upload them on YouTube, or what does it do, right? So I have no information because they are not telling us. So if I go further into this video here, you can see they're just hopping their bonus crap on you, and if you go in the end, they're going to show you one sell, okay? So they're going to show you that this software has been working for me. 8 apps, 1 sale. Are you kidding me? This sale could be done by you. You might have purchased the software by on your own just to show in this video. Okay, there's no proof that this software was purchased by somebody else, not by you. So anybody can buy one copy themselves and they can show in the video that okay, this product is being sold. But anyways, there's not much here to explain. The software is not live yet, but as I said earlier, there's no demo on their JV page. They don't have some enough information here. And for me, I'm not a fan of money making software. So if you're thinking of buying it, think at least 10 times before you spend your money, because let me show you again. I think their website is not complete yet, because if I go through the bonuses here, you see here bonus number 1, lorem ipsum dolor sidemet. What language is that? I don't know. So this is the default language on every website theme when it is not live. Okay, so right now all the bonuses have nothing there. The website is not finished, you can say. So they have not updated the website fully, I guess. They might still be working, who knows. So yeah, but as of now the bonuses are not updated, as you can see. And then it's all about get instant access. This is all about, okay. Now as soon this software gets launched, people will buy it, because the problem here is these offers get sent to email lists. Okay, so this offer will be sent to tens of thousands of email addresses, and not everybody is going to come on a YouTube and watch my review. Okay, so these people make sales in the background. So even if there is somebody who tells honest reviews or gives honest reviews, people are not watching it. And if they're not watching it, and that means they will make they will buy these things, and this person will make money. So when we consider this thing as a software basis, then yes, okay, you can pay for the training program. Okay, so you can buy this software and you can get the training, you can watch those videos, and you can gain some knowledge, and that's worth $10. That's fine. So you give them $10 and you access that content, you access those videos, you access the module. That's fine. But as soon it starts claiming that you will make some money with the software, that's the biggest lie. That's where my problem is. So don't say that you will make this kind of money. If you want to sell it, just sell it as a program, just sell it as a software, just sell it as a training course. Don't sell it as a money making machine, because you will not make money. Money is something it depends on your knowledge. If you don't have knowledge, if you don't have skills, if you don't have something within yourself, you cannot make any money, no matter how much I can teach you or anybody teach you. If you do not have knowledge, then you can't make money, or you depend on somebody else. So for example, these people are launching products all the time. So let's go to their profile here. So let's see. So this is their we have to click on his name, Trevor C. So if you look at his profile, this person has been making thousands of dollars. Like, he has been selling, launching these products and making like thousands of copies, 2,000 sales, 1,000 sales. So this is how these people make money on Warrior Plus. And what they do is, either they are programmers itself, like they are the IT people itself. So they develop these kind of websites and programs, and then they put it on Warrior Plus, and you make money. I mean, they make money and you lose money. Okay. And the other way is that the person like him or like me, we have an option to hire a software developer, and then that person will make us these kind of websites, so we can get these kind of products live on Warrior Plus. And we pay the fees to software developer, a one-time fees. We pay them on project to project basis, and then eventually we make profits when this product gets sold on Warrior Plus. So anybody can do this. If you're listening to me right now, you can hire a software developer and make an IT product. Don't make money, make money online scams. Okay, I don't want you to do that. If you want to earn money, you can do something better. You're better than this. You can have a genuine product. You can hire somebody. You can ask them to create a genuine software, which you then can sell on Warrior Plus and Zavizu, and then you can make genuine money. You don't have to be a part of the race. You don't have to be a scammer. Okay, these people are a scammer because they are claiming that you will make some money. As long they don't make any claims that you will make some money with this software, there's no problem. But as soon some software tells you that okay, you're going to make some money with that, at that time they lose reputation. At that time they lose my recommendation. Now if you go down at the bottom here, it shows this privacy, this policy thing is not working, the disclaimer is not clickable, terms of service is not clickable. So maybe they're still working on the website, maybe not, but this is what this is how it looks like right now. So these options are working, and then all these buttons are working. That's it. And as I said, the bonuses aren't working either. So just give it a thought before you start purchasing software. So there are two things. If you're only taking it as a training, then okay, you can spend 10 bucks, 12 bucks for training purposes. But if you think this is going to make some money, don't buy it. Money making, no. Training, yes. So if you're not just learn something, watch some videos, the course, you want to grab this course, go ahead and buy. But if you think this will make you some money, this will make you rich, no, I'm sorry. There's no software in the world which can make you money unless you know what to do, okay? If you don't know, if you can't make YouTube videos, if you can't make websites or blogs, if you can't do a job, in the office, then you will not make money, all right? So stop depending on somebody else to give you a system. Nobody else in the world can give you a system which will make you money, right? These people want to earn money. That is why they're putting the system in front of you. So they want to get those $12, $20 from you so that they can live their own life, okay? If somebody has got a system which makes them money, they will never give it to you. So use your brain, which is at the top of the head. That's the first thing called brain. So use it, because if these people have some system which is making them 160.72 per day, just like that, then there's no need to sell out the system for 12 bucks. Are you getting the point? So if somebody's selling you such system which is making them 168 and they are selling it for 12 bucks, it's a complete lie, okay? So even a kid can make the calculation because they're lying to you. So as long this software is only saying that, okay, I'm going to give you training, buy the software and we will give you the training, okay, that's fine. But if you think that you're going to make some money, then don't buy it. All right, thank you for watching. Subscribe. We'll see you next time.